So we have this person who is paying off a loan for 10 years, and he's paying at an increasing annuity. It starts off at 200 and increases by 10 per year. And we need to find the interest portion in the fifth payment. So in case you don't know what interest portion means, you can kind of think of each time when you pay a loan, part of the payment is used to pay the principal, part of the payment is used to pay the interest. So you can imagine if I have $10 and then I am earning 10% interest. So after a year, I'm going to owe that person $11, right? And let's just say I pay all $11 at time one. So for the $11, I can split this up into $10 and $1. This is the principal portion. I'm using this to pay off the principal, and then this is the interest portion. This extra $1 comes from interest. So what we're trying to find in this payment, in this question, the interest portion, is essentially the $1 that we have in this question. So this is just an analogy to help you understand. So let's just apply this concept to the problem itself. So once again, as always, we draw a diagram. So there are 10 payments in total. And then we want to find the interest portion of the fifth payment, which is the payment that happens at time 5. And if you just draw out the payments, so you know the payments start at 200 and each subsequent payment increases by 10. So the most reliable way of finding just how much you're going to pay at time 5 is to count your fingers, and then you know that you're going to pay 240 at time 5. And then this is just going to keep increasing because it's an increasing annuity. It's increasing 10 per year. So the interest portion at time 5, so how do we calculate the interest portion at time 5? All we have to do is to take the amount that we owe at time 4 and then to multiply that by the interest rate. And the interest rate we're being told is 5%. So all we have to do is to find the amount that we owe at time 4. So we need to stand at time 4, and then we need to find how much we still owe. And then once again, we use the prospective formula. So the amount that we still owe, so I'm just going to use a random symbol for it. The amount that we still owe at time 4 is equal to, so in this case it's an increasing annuity. And then once again, if you count your fingers, you'll see that there are 6 payments, 6 subsequent payments. So once again, we just apply the increasing annuity formula. And then substitute the interest rates and everything into this formula. You'll find that we're going to still be owing $1,337.846034. So we're going to be owing this much money at time 4. So the interest portion that we're going to pay at the 5th year is equal to the amount that we owe at time 4 multiplied by the interest rate. And so all we have to do is just to take this number and then multiply it by 0.05. And so you get 66.89, and this is the answer.